Hello guys, let's get started our Bitcoin alert system using the Bolt Wi-Fi module. So here is our Bolt Wi-Fi module. It has two stable LEDs, blue LED which symbolizes that it has proper power, and the green LED which symbolizes that it is properly connected to the Bolt cloud. I have already made the connections, and how I made it is given in the schematic circuit diagram. For further illustration, I can show you that it has a buzzer and a LED. So the LED glows when the current market Bitcoin value is lesser than our specified selling price, and when the market Bitcoin value is greater than our specified selling price, then the buzzer will beep. And how it will work, we will show you, and the code is already shared with you. So now we are going to run the code. So now we are going to enter our command for entering into the code. So now let's get started. Now I am running my code. So you can see it's asking me to enter any currency input. So I am gonna enter USD, and it goes. Now it asks me to enter my selling price. Suppose if I enter some random number like 9,800, let's see what happens. Now see, the market price of Bitcoin is 9,523, and the selling price which we have entered is 9,800. So the market price is obviously lesser than our selling price. So you can see that LED is glowing, and we can see that the message is there. The LED will blink after 30 seconds and will glow for 5 seconds only. So after 30 seconds it's gonna blink again, and you can see a message is there, and you can see email is also there. See, subject alert, and see, which we were getting there is also there. See, the LED is glowing again. Now we have given a keyboard interrupt, and we are running our program, our code again. And suppose that I am investing again in USD, and let's see if our selling price is 7,000. Then see what happens. See, the buzzer is beeping. Now the buzzer is stopped, and we have again a message from Twilio that Bitcoins are at this price and you need to be cautious that it. So here was our the illustration of the project. For more details you can visit hexter.io. The link of the following project is given in the description box. Thanks for watching.